Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday. We have seen gold hitting towards 2294 levels and silver towards 28. Can we expect this bearishness to continue, or there is a possibility of a reversal? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the data releases, before the US session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon to get the second update and notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates, or join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We'll look into gold followed with silver. Watch this. For the day now, this zone here at 2294, or rather I will say in between 2294, 90 and 87. This is the 70 pips zone, which is going to be critical for gold. It has to break below this in order to confirm further bearishness. If you look at the movement, what has happened? Drop, retracement, drop. It is consolidating its move. Even if it tries to retrace, where are the highs of this? See, the highs are far above at around 2318, 2320 levels, which is again, see, yesterday also I have mentioned, now 2318, 2322 zone is going to be one critical resistance for gold to break past by. As long as it stays below this zone, we should not be treating this as bullish. And only reversal confirmation is if you see it is staying beyond 2335. Now see, moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. So there is one possibility that gold might try to move towards 230405 zone, which is going to be first resistance zone for gold for the day. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has seen a little drop, and see the rise here was sharp. The retracement is also gradual. Now it has crossed over, so it appears there could be a little move, which means it can try to move towards 230405 and in fact 230810 levels, which is going to be the next resistance. The stochastic running flat. On the two, the observation is more or less same. It is consolidating as of now. We can see a very good resistance is seen here at 2300 levels. The prices are trading with little divergence from the 20 period, and the moving averages are trading with divergence. So right now the signs are bearish. Possibility of a little retracement exists, but the reversal confirmation I will still not say. And if you connect the dots here, again 2318, 2322 on the upside should be a greater resistance, even if gold continues to trade bullish from the current levels. Now see this red line coming here, a very good support is seen here, and thus a selling entry is below 2294 only. The stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Look at the lows here, very beautifully connected, and see the highs are lower highs and higher lows. This is zone of consolidation. The highs now for this channel is at around 2360. If it breaks beyond 2335.40, we can say 2360 might get achieved. But looking at the movement right now appears to be a difficult task for gold to break past by. On the 3-hour charts, look at one bullish candle retracement, very small or diminishing body size, and thus it is trying to bounce back. We have to wait for it to break on the upside. Once it stays bullish, we can look forward to 2305 and then 2310, or in fact higher levels can also be seen here. The stochastic running at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is at bottom. On the 4-hour, the observation is more or less same, just consolidating its position with a very narrow move after this sharp drop. So we have to wait for a breakout either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI trading at bottom. Now coming to the day, look at the daily chart. See the drop, retracement, and drop. Now see if it reverses from the current level, because see this is coming from the lows and this is still higher lows here. We have seen prices reversing from this trend line here 3 times now, and now if gold breaks below this, that is 2294, 90, 87. If gold breaks below this, we will look forward to 2260 levels. Remember, if gold breaks below this zone, very soon we will see 2260 levels. You have to keep a note of it. Right now what I can see here is, see this move is done, possibility of a slight retracement exists, and now if you look at the moving averages, the 20-50 period moving averages are convergent here at 2325. Now before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch or join my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. My contact details are there in the channel and video description. And those who are looking for a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, safe, secure, and yes, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at the daily chart. See, the day has started with slight lows here, and possibility of a recovery exists. We can expect it to move towards the zone, and possibility of a complete recovery also exists strong. We have to be careful here. With the lows only selling entry, it appears to be at 2294, below which we can expect it to move towards 2290.87. And if these two levels are taken, first target is 2280, and below 2280, the next targets are far below 2271 and then 2260 levels. On the upside now, a buying. See why it could bounce back. Look, stochastic is oversold. Look, MACD is also trading at the lows here. It is again crossed over for sell, while RSI is comfortable. So buying entry I will recommend now is at 230405 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 23,810 first resistance, 23,1416 next, and then 23. See, 23,18 22 is the zone which gold needs to break, which is going to be prime resistance. Any movement beyond 2308, 2318, 22 should be considered as a reversal sign, where it can in fact try to move towards 2330, 35 and higher levels, chances of which appears to be less. So you have to take your trades accordingly. As long as 23 18 22 zone is not taken today, you have to be very very careful with your buying entries. Trade accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. See, silver trading in a very very narrow range. We have seen it. See, this is the expanding triangle here, and now the median is at around 2285 levels, from where we can see 2260.55, almost 20 cents on the downside and almost 20 cents on the upside. So 2285 is one median. And now on the upside, we can find out, see, moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish, and prices are getting resistance from the 20 period moving average. So now if you see it is staying beyond this zone and then specifically beyond 29, then we can say silver is reversing, and beyond $29 levels is where we can expect it to trade bullish. Else silver is still not bullish. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is also rising here. The RSI is also rising. Signs are bullish here on the early charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, yes, we can find out the preceding candle, a swing candle, a greener candle. So current candle might remain in green. Possibility for it to move towards $29 levels exists. But then that is going to be a greater resistance zone. And thus, if you are buying here, we have to be careful. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD has crossed over here for the buys. The RSI is also rising, showing signs of bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, I will wait for the next candle, one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, second candle here. Now, important thing for silver, look at the candles here. None of the candles closed below 2870, which makes it a very, 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 very strong support zone. And if you look at the movement here, the drop, retracement, the drop, retracement, see the bearishness is getting diminished here. You can see the, and this increases the chances of a reversal in silver. But reversal means possibly, yes, it can try to move towards 29 or at best 29.20. It can try to move in this zone, but that is going to be a prime resistance. Any move beyond 2960 is only considered as a reversal, else it is still not reversed, it is still bearish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD has seen good enough bearishness, it is willing to converge crossover. The RSI is flat, coming to 4. Look at the 4-hour chart. See, preceding candle a swing here. The current candle delivering higher lows. It is trying to move. Possibly it can try to move towards higher highs. But again, I will not say that it is reverse. See, 4 bearish candle. Possibility of couple of bullish candles exists. 29, 29, 20 is going to be prime resistance levels, beyond which we can say further bullish momentum may prevail. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish here. It may converge crossover for the buys, but right now not showing much signs of it, while RSI is sitting at the bottom. Coming to the daily, now see on the daily charts, first thing what we have observed is diminishing bearishness. You can see these 3 candles, and now see what we can see in the preceding candle is lower highs, lower lows. Thus, very very important for silver to break beyond 29, 29, 20. Else, what may happen? Hitting lower highs here, it can reverse and deliver similar size of candle, which means it can in fact move below 2850 and then move towards 2825 level. Yes, if silver is seen trading below 2860-50 zone, we have to stay short. We have to expect that further drop can be expected here. And right now, if you look at the movement, what we are seeing, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, the move it is going to deliver is going to be one breakout move here. Right now it is trading in this bearish channel, and it has to come out of this either which ways. Right now I can see it is getting very strong support on the downside. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is flat. So looking, I will recommend you to buy gold at 28.85 levels. Expect it to buy silver at 28.85. Expect 29.05 as the first target, 29.20 as the next. And if it breaks beyond 29.20 levels, you can expect 29.50-60 as the next target, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 28.60, below which you can expect 28.40 levels. Below 28.40, we can even expect it to move towards 28.25, $28 levels. The next support below 28, there is going to be sharp bearishness. Take your trades accordingly. Wait for the next update before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session.